How to change phone number in TikTok. So if you want to change phone number in TikTok, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then go to the upper right corner, which has the three-barred icon, and head over to settings and privacy, and now tap on account. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now go to account information, and then you have two options. First one is phone number and then email. So now if you want to change your phone number in TikTok, then you can simply tap on phone number. And for now I don't have a saved phone number, so if you want to change your phone number, first you have to save a phone number. And after entering your phone number, you can tap on send code, and then you will receive a code to your number, and after entering that code, your number will be changed. So make sure that the phone number that you have entered must be new phone number, because if you entered a phone number and that phone number is already used to create another TikTok account, then that phone number will not be valid here. So you have to enter a new phone number, and after entering that, you have to tap on send code, and after verifying, you will change your phone number. So that's it. That's how you change your phone number in TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.